This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have the Windows 10 image and a hypervisor. Now start the VM. First, make sure virtualization is enabled in BIOS so the VM can use CPU extensions. Then open your hypervisor and select the Windows 10 virtual machine profile. Once selected, check memory and CPU allocation quickly. Make sure they meet minimum Windows 10 requirements so the machine will boot smoothly. Click Start or Power On to begin. This initiates the virtual BIOS and bootloader. You should see the Windows installer begin. If not, press the VM's Virtual BIOS boot menu key and select the ISO. During setup, choose the correct partition and format only the intended virtual disk. This prevents data loss. Proceed through regional, language, and account prompts, entering the license key when requested speed setup. Once the OS installs and reboots, install your hypervisor's guest editions or VMware tools to enable drivers, clipboard sharing, and improved display performance. You're almost done. Finish the out-of-box experience by creating a user account, confirming privacy settings, and running Windows Update so drivers and security patches install. After logging in, tweak VM settings. Enable snapshots, configure shared folders, and choose bridged or NAT networking based on your needs. If the VM refuses to boot or shows a black screen, make sure the ISO is still attached, the virtual disk is connected, and the host's virtualization support is enabled. Resolving those fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.